Hey, TTV flew up in here. We got Chum. We got Couch. Go subscribe.
Subscribe.
We got Fuzzy Food Frenzy. And we got Night Lavelle.
What about the dog?
And we got J-Dog. Today, we're at McDonald's, right? Food review!
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Let's get to chowing. Chow time.
Who wants some sauce?
We'll eat all of them.
Yeah,
Right?
pass the sauce. Pass the cream sauce. Pass the cream sauce.
Hot mustard?
Anybody want hummus?
Sweet and sour.
Oh, yeah, I'll take a sweet
sauce
sour.
on my Big Mac.
Who wants nuggets?
Throwing sauce back
Who wants your nuggets?
I got a 20-piece nug.
Yeah, right here.
Who else got a 20-piece? You got a 20-piece nug on? Alright. And then
Man, I got sauce on my iPhone. I don't really.
Fuzzy's in the way.
I got sauce on my iPhone, bro.
Look at that.
Nice and crisp. Nice
Good
and
shit.
crisp. Double nug. I'm gonna come. Get it quick. I'm gonna take a bite. Take a bite.
Travis Scott burger.
What's up, world? Yeah, you. I'm Travis Scott. This is my McDonald's order. Follow me.
I want a Big Mac.
Take a bite. Oh.
Is there an extra Big Mac right there?
Go Lavelle. Go Lavelle. Show him.
I don't get Big Mac.
Show him. Show him. He's already burned through fries, dog.
It was only 4 Big Macs. I didn't get one.
4 fucking Big Macs.
Who ate them all? I wanted one.
I just been eating this.
You want the rest of mine?
Actually, yeah. Okay, look. Couch, this is your only one, right? You had?
That's the only one I've had.
That's the only one you had.
Yeah.
But they should only
He
gave
didn't
us
eat
2
one.
Big
I
Macs.
didn't think we got Big Macs the first time we got this. You got
Dude, you
I farted, it's wet, and I don't want to move.
Here's my
Get out and do the Grubhub dance for the video. After we're done.
He's not sponsored, by the way.
I don't think I can do 20 nugs and a large fry.
You already did 10 nuggets.
I had one.
Hey, Hoodie, how's it?
Not even in
It's not even in the shot.
There's a fucking nugget at you.
Burps.
Hey, take your nug back, dog.
I'm not eating that, bro.
Who's the big guy?
You want a nug?
Stop, cunt.
Took a bite out of it. Just on your hood.
Nuh-uh. Ew.
Hey, Hoodie, how is it?
Julian, what's down there?
It was down there.
Whole ass stash of half the food.
He ate I can't believe he ate all those carne asada fries last night. In one go.
Dude, they were good.
Didn't even give us any bite.
They were good, bro.
Didn't even give us a bite.
Oh, we also got cream pies too.
Where the cream pie's at?
You guys want some sweet and sour?
That's a bomb pig.
Some girl liked my post.
Yeah. Check out Flu's Instagram. He posts a whole bunch of shit.
Not Dot Berry. Check out theirs. Plug your stuff, guys.
Check out Tausch on YouTube. Nalo 4 coming soon.
Julian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dot Evans
Starring
619.
everyone in this room.
Starring as Michelle Obama.
Yo, don't leak it, dude. Leaks, dude.
So the plot
Shit.
is.
Did you get the only large fry?
There's a large fry in there, bro.
Doing
Dude, he sucked on the fry.
What?
Bro.
I didn't suck on it. I just gave you a dry one.
No.
That is not dry.
Seeping with bleach.
Sleeping with dog food.
There's another fry then.
Thanks.
You catch that one? Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Let's get some close-up shots.
I ate
you know. I accidentally dropped that one.
Always fucked with food. Throws chicken nuggets.
No, don't get on the camera, dog.
Puts in chips and drinks. I don't understand.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Stop that in your mouth.
Yo, you got some on your face.
I'm not doing it on camera.
Is that a little? Hey, well, let me get some. Let me get
Don't
that for
touch
you.
me, bomb man.
Let me get that for you, bro. Let me get that for you.
Oh, he pulled out the cream pie.
Yo, who want dessert?
Oh, bro, get out of my face. Chunky dunky.
Who want dessert?
Whoops.
What's your problem? Oh.
Yo, where my phone? Where my iPhone?
Dude.
Everybody's quiet.
Yo, get enough focus on it.
No, it's just ASMR.
Why you're so crispy?
Penis fries.
Oh, he's grabbing. He's grabbing. Last two nugs.
You're so mean.
Don't do it.
Sorry.
Don't do it.
What'd you do?
I didn't do it. I didn't
What'd
do
you do?
anything, bro.
Yo, let me get back from that, bro. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Eat the whole ass thing. I got you, bro.
No.
You hungry?
Bro.
You find your phone? iPhone.
Where is my iPhone 7 Plus at?
iPhone.
Big Mac.
iPhone.
Big Mac tastes like
I'm not giving you a blowjob.
I'm looking for my iPhone 7 Plus.
Sure? Give me a blowjob.
No! Cum sandwich.
Hey viewers, look. It's
Give him my ASMR. Give me my ASMR.
Jesse Pinkman in the house.
Jesse Pinkman in the house, bitch.
Gotta go. The Travis Scott meal, just $6. Say Cactus Jack sent you.